Mom, what we eating?
Mom, what we eating? Mother, what are we eating? Mom, what are we eating? So in today's episode, our first episode of Cooking with Tink, we are cooking salmon sliders. What's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nicole. I am a mom. I am a 9-to-5er. I'm an entrepreneur, a homeowner, and so many other things. But as a working mom, I really created my channel to show women and other mothers like me how to do things yourself around the house. In today's video, I have my daughter here. Let's call her daughter. She's my Tink. I call her Tink, so you guys may hear me say. So me and my Tink are going to make dinner today. Every day after school, she asks me a certain question. And even if you don't have kids, you might ask yourself this too. What do you ask? Huh? Say how you say it. Speak up. What do you say? What do you say when you come home from school, or if it's getting late after you did your homework or went to gymnastics? What do you ask? No, what she says is, hold on, get us in focus. What we eating? What we eating? Mom, what we eating? So if you have a child or kids, you probably get that similar question every day. Usually probably 3 times a day if it's like a weekend. But I don't care how your kids say it. Mom, what we eating? Mother, what are we eating? Mom, what are we eating? Mom, what we eating? It's always the same question. So we have to cook, order. I'm tired of ordering Uber Eats. I want to start introducing recipes that, 1, are super easy. You don't need a whole lot of ingredients. And then 2, recipes that my daughter can cook with me, because listen, she's going to have to start cooking for herself and cooking for me. So we're going to do some salmon sliders. We are doing salmon cake sliders. I'm going to show you guys the ingredient. I'm going to say what the ingredient is, and I'm going to see if she can lift it up to make sure she knows what the ingredient is, because if you don't know what something is, how are you going to follow the recipe? Here we go. Ingredients. Tink, you have to show them what we're doing. So first up, obviously we need the salmon. So we need cans of salmon.
It's right here.
Put it up to the camera. Let's see if we can get it good. So this is by Bumblebee, pink salmon. Good job, Tink. That's the easy part, right? So we're gonna use 2 cans. Normally I would put peppers and onions in my salmon cakes. However, this little girl here doesn't like all that, onions and peppers in it. So we're gonna exclude that today. As far as what's going into the mixture, we're gonna do salt. Put it up to the camera. Good job. She knows what salt is. That's easy. We're gonna do pepper. She's looking for it.
Here's the pepper.
Yep, ground pepper. And if you don't want to use this type of salt, obviously, sometimes I cook with Himalayan sea salt, different salts, but we're doing the standard salt and pepper. We're gonna do some garlic powder.
The garlic powder. Let
them get a close look. Okay, boom. Good job. She's doing good so far, y'all. Comment below if you think she'll get everything that I asked for. All right, next up is onion powder.
Onion powder.
Good job. I mean, you're 10. You should be able to do these things. Okay, so next up is going to be minced garlic. See if she can find it and pick it up, because it's a new jar. So minced garlic. Obviously, you can chop up your own garlic if you want, your garlic cloves, and put it in there. But we're doing something quick, easy, simple, so that you could get the job done, get the kids fed, get yourself fed. Some breadcrumbs.
The breadcrumbs are.
Ooh, she knew what breadcrumbs were. So these are Panko. It's just the Safeway brand. It's an Italian style seasoning. And then 2 more things for the batter is going to be 1, sour cream. I just started using sour cream in a lot of things. Put it up to the camera, babe. This one is the Daisy brand. It's light sour cream. I'm not too big on light versus not light, but this is what I had in the refrigerator. Sour cream. Ever since, if you guys have seen the not Amazon, what's the company called? HelloFresh. If you saw the HelloFresh video, she was actually featured in that too, because like I said, she's getting to the age where I want her to start cooking and learning how to cook. So she was a part of that video, and I think most people liked it. So I'm like, let's get some more cooking stuff going on. So from a lot of the HelloFresh recipes, sour cream was in a lot of things that I didn't even think to put it in. So I'm like, let's put sour cream in our salmon cake. So this is the first time we're going to try it. So stay tuned to this video so you guys can see how it tastes. Literally experimenting with you guys today. This mayo sriracha right here.
It's right here.
It's, let me turn it this way. No problem. If you guys have never seen this, I discovered this in the store one day and I'm like, this is a blessing. So this is not going to go inside the batter. It's going to go like on top as we make the sliders. But the last thing that's going to go into the actual mixture is going to be eggs. I didn't pull the eggs out of the refrigerator yet, but I'll probably use 1 egg per can. So if you're using only 1 can of salmon, 1 egg. And that's, again, it's my preference, my recipe, how we do things in my home. All right, so that's it for the batter. I showed you everything for the batter. We're going to dress our sliders up with this mayo sriracha. Get you guys some cheese if you like cheese. If you're not into dairy, you know, you can exclude it. But this is the cheese that we use. Can you show them the cheese?
The cheese is right here.
Let's get it up some more so we can try to. It's, what is it? Sargento is the brand, but it's this smokehouse cheddar. It's so good. Like when I was making her, when she first started going back to school from virtual, her grilled cheese, I would make it with this cheese. Y'all can see it's almost gone, but it's going to be enough for the sliders because we're going to break it up into little pieces. But the cheese, and then we can't forget the biggest part of the sliders,
the Hawaiian bread.
Hawaiian rolls. If y'all have never used these, let me get the real name, King's Hawaiian sweet rolls. You see we got it's only 2 of us, but we got the party pack, the 24, because these things are amazing. Like we eat them just straight out the, right? How good?
Very good. Like it's more than very good. It's like over the top good.
Yeah, so we eat these sometimes just plain, don't even like heat it up. Sometimes if you want to get, you know, real saucy and you want to put it in the air fryer so it gets toasty and put some garlic butter on it, it's amazing. We're going to do some asparagus with this also, but we're going to do salmon cake, sliders, and asparagus for dinner tonight. So, final product. So now that dinner is done, it'll be a taste test. So this is final. Is it daughter approved? Is it kid approved? All right, so y'all see in the picture, I'll insert the clip at the bottom so you can see a close up of the food. But I plated it with 4 sliders each and then some asparagus in the middle, and that's dinner, boom. So Tink, taste one of your sliders. She has not tasted it yet, so.
It tastes good.
What grade would you, if we were in school, what grade would you give me? A, between A, B, C, D, F?
A.
A regular A or A plus?
A plus.
See? And I'm telling y'all, she's not just doing this for the video. She will be honest. She will tell the truth. So let me try it too, because I haven't tasted it. Okay. This is bomb, y'all. It didn't take long at all. I can definitely tell the difference with adding the sour cream. I was a little hesitant on adding the sour cream at first because the sour cream we had, when I looked at it, the date is actually 4 days from today. And I couldn't tell if it was bad or good. So hopefully, I decided to be like, you know, I think it's fine. But the sour cream is the game changer because it adds the moisture. I think that's why other people add it to certain things, perhaps. But it gives it a little more flavor and it gives it a little more moisture so it's not so dry. But these salmon cake sliders are bomb. Daughter approved, mommy approved, doesn't take long to make, very inexpensive ingredients. And we got our veggies on top, our asparagus. She's going to eat those. I don't care what she said. She's going to eat every little piece. But I hope you guys like this first test run of cooking with Tink. And I hope it inspires you to, 1, cook more instead of ordering out. That's what I'm trying to do. And then get your kids involved in the kitchen too, because we got to teach them how else are they going to cook for us and learn to cook for themselves. She just turned 10. So I got her started early, like I think 7 or so when she really started getting in the kitchen. But these are super good. We're going to enjoy our dinner and hopefully you guys will try this. If you do try it, definitely leave us a comment in the comment section. Let us know if you tried it. Let us know if you like it. Anything that you want to say?
This is very good. I recommend you try this at home and see what it tastes like for you guys. And comment down below if it was good for you or not and if it was a fail to you.
All right, so we'll see you guys in the next episode.